raise your hand. So, do you know why it's easier? Instead of when you focus on the leg and losing your balance, you're focusing on the other leg. So what happens is, if you focus and you only pay attention to what could go wrong, something could go wrong. If you focus on what you're doing and just doing a great job, then you'll be able to do it better. Does that make sense? Yeah. Right. So do we focus on what could go wrong, or do we focus on what's going right? What's going right. Okay, cool.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.